Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else, let me like you do. That's why I'm.
Hey loves, it's bNicole back with another video. So this video is a lace wig install. It's watching me how to install this lace wig. So this is one of my lace wigs, bNicole lace wig. Of course, I think this was a 16-inch, and I cut it up to this shoulder length bob. I colored it jet black. So a lot of people has been wanting to see me on how to install a lace wig on yourself. So I hope this video will be helpful to those of you that requested this video. Also, my website is finally up, y'all. I've been trying to work on the website. You order on the website and you're in the Hattiesburg or Mississippi area. If you order from my website, the wig must be shipped to you. It's just I'm only one person. I can't deal with, people trying to order on the website, come pick it up and get it installed the same day. No, ma'am. If you if you order on the website, the wig must be shipped to you, okay? And then once it gets to you, you can still book an appointment with me, receive a free install. Just tell me your name or show me the receipt where you purchased it online, and you still can get the wig installed for free. But it must be shipped to you, okay? And yeah, so I hope y'all like this video. This is very cute. I'm actually loving this. I usually don't go short, but I am loving this wig. And like at the beginning, y'all saw where you can like flip it over. How I flipped it that way. Well, it really don't matter which way you flip it, but like I flipped it this way and just playing with it. Like, you can just do, different looks. I cut it to where you can wear it to the middle and to the side. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. And baby, this lace is laid. No baby hairs, okay? None. So thumbs up this video. Please thumbs it up, y'all. Also, leave me a comment if you enjoyed it. And give me ideas on other, wig or hair videos that you want to see. I thank y'all for tuning in. So hope you enjoyed. Keep on watching. Bye, guys. Here I'm just showing you a small clip of me coloring the hair jet black. Also straighten it, and then I'm going to cut it. So it was just a small clip I wanted to show y'all.
Give me a really good all day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else, let me like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million.
I just want to stop and I want to show y'all this lace. Like, the little white stuff is the little mold stuff I put on it. But anyway, as you can see, this lace is beautiful. Most of my wigs is HD. Some of them is transparent too. Transparent is just as good as HD. Yeah. If you want to see how I did the bald cap method, go watch my previous video when I installed the lace wig on my client.
I know that you're somebody else's guy, but these feelings that I have for you I can't deny. She doesn't treat you the way you wanted to, so come on, stop running. I wanna get with you. What your girl don't know won't hurt her. Anything to make this love go further. You're the one for me when in need, when in love with me. 'Cause you're the one for me.
I'm using the Ruby Kisses concealer. I will put everything that I used in the description box below.
Girl, you should give a chance. Taste and see how good it can
Make sure you clean your skin off with 90 proof alcohol.
be, baby. What you girl don't know won't hurt her. Won't hurt her. Anything to make this love go further. You're the one for me. When you need me. When you love me. 'Cause you're the one for me. Yeah, yeah. You're the one for me. When you
I'm using Boldholdlaceglue. Y'all, this is the best lace glue, hands down. I will put the link to order in the description box below.
half of you I can't deny. She doesn't treat you the way you want her to. So come on, stop running. I wanna get with you. What you girl don't know won't hurt her. Anything to make this love go further. You're the one for me. When you need me. When you love me. 'Cause you're the one for me. This can be an undercover romance. 'Cause I feel that I'm the type of girl you should give a chance. Taste and see how good it can be. 'Cause you don't have to worry, baby. What you girl don't know won't hurt her. Won't hurt her. Anything to make this love go further. You're the one for me. When you need me.
Always make sure the lace glue is clear before you apply the lace.
'Cause you're the one for me. Yeah, yeah. You're the one for me. When you need me. When you love me. 'Cause you're the one for me. So yeah, it's all I want us to be. Oh yeah, you're the one for me. I know that you're somebody else's guy, but these feelings that I have for you I can't deny. She doesn't treat you the way you want her to. So come on, stop running. I wanna get with you. What you girl don't know won't hurt her. Anything to make this love go further. You're the one for me.
just blending out my makeup because it was looking crazy.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's truly. And I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
I'm just making sure everything is even. This lace is laid and I love this style on me. Of course, I love my wigs, so make sure y'all shop. The link will be in the description box below. And book an appointment with me if you're in Mississippi. Thanks for watching, everyone. And stay tuned for the next video. Love y'all. Bye.